Another dua, Ya Muqallib Al-Qulub, thabbit qalbi ala dinik. O turner of the hearts, make my heart firm on your religion. And as I mentioned earlier, the Prophet ﷺ would make this dua a lot. A lot. His wife Salama reported that. So imagine how frequently he would make this dua. So this should be a dua that we should also make a lot. Make it in your sajda. Make it before salam. Before ending your prayer. Make it in witr. Make it in the last third of the night. That, Ya Rabb, you make my heart firm on your religion. Don't let it veer off the right path. Don't let it slacken and weaken and give up and quit. No, Ya Rabb, keep me firm. Keep my heart firm on the straight path. Because if the heart is firm, then everything else is fine.